Spring has officially arrived. And with it, a quiet invitation to begin again. At WhiteWillow, every season brings a new story, one shaped by light, warmth, and the beauty of everyday living. This modern home was designed to do one thing beautifully: to fill every room, every corner, with light, comfort, and ease. As the season shifts, so does the feeling of the space, softer textures, lighter tones, and a sense of calm that flows throughout. It's not about changing everything, but about reimagining what you already have. A simple shift in textures, a refreshed palette, and suddenly, the home feels new again. Because charm isn't about having more, it's about how everything comes together. Thoughtfully displayed pieces, collections that tell your story, styled with intention, not excess. The kitchen is the heart of the home, bright, open, and beautifully layered. It's designed for gathering. Whether it's a quiet morning coffee or hosting friends and family, fresh florals, soft greenery, small touches that bring life into every space, creating that lived-in feeling, effortless, warm, and quietly beautiful. The bedrooms are designed as peaceful retreats. Layered linens, warm textures, and gentle tones create a sense of quiet luxury. It's a space to unwind, recharge, and truly relax. Outdoor living is just as intentional. Covered seating areas and garden views create the perfect setting for slow mornings and peaceful evenings. This is what transforms a house into a home that feels personal, a home that feels warm, inviting, and just a little bit magical in the everyday.